In today's lesson, we're going to be completing a walking tour of Madrid so that you can practice using directions. Firstly, if you're not sure how to use Google Street View, it's a good idea to watch this video tutorial. If you are confident, you can go straight to slide 3 and get started. Now, we can see the starting point at the top. On each slide, you're going to have an instruction or a direction in the top and then a question to answer. You need to follow the instruction and then find the answer to the clue. Our starting point is Teatro Lope de Vega in Madrid. So I'm going to click on this link. It's going to take me straight to that location. Now on our slide, we've got our first question here. ¿Qué obra está en el teatro? With a hint, meaning obra means play. This question is asking me what play is on in the theatre. So I'm going to drag around and look around, and this one's pretty obvious. We can see El Rey León, meaning the Lion King. So that's my first answer. So as soon as I find the answer, I'm going to go back to my slides and I'm going to type in the answer. Notice how I said you can answer in English, and then you might like to change the font, change the colour so it's clear that it's your answer. Once I'm ready, I can go on to the next slide and follow the next instruction. Now, I don't want to give you all the answers, so I'm just going to walk through the tour. It's up to you to find the different clues, but I'm going to give you the full tour, just in case you're struggling. This is my next instruction. Now this is where I can find the answer to question number 2 in this area. So drag around, have a look. Can you find the answer? My next instruction is here. Now, sometimes if there's a lot of roads in the same place, it can be a bit tricky to select the correct one. So if you need to, you can expand the map and you can zoom in so that you can follow the instructions, because it is a little bit difficult to use sometimes. This is where you can find the answer to the next clue. We're at the start of the road we need to follow. Now I have my next instruction. This one's very simple. Now I do need to go quite far down to find the answer. So you can explore the shops as you go, see if it looks different to Hong Kong. Just make sure you stay on the right street. And the whole time I'm looking out for that clue because it doesn't say where on the street the clue is. This is where you can find the answer to the next clue in this area. Now I can find my next instruction. So I'm going to follow those instructions. And I find myself in this square, and there's one more instruction that I need to follow. This is the place that I'll find the answer to the question there. It might help you again to look at the map because that's going to give you more details. So look out for symbols, look out for shops, anything that you might need to answer the question. My next instruction. This is another one that it might be easier just to click on the map. I'm going to head down here. This is the area, when I see this bus, this is the area I can find the answer to my next question. And this is my final instruction. And this one, I just need to continue all the way to the end. So I'm going to make sure I stay on the street, but I can take quite big jumps as long as I stay on the street. You can notice all the differences between Hong Kong and Madrid. Madrid is a much lower down city. The buildings aren't as tall as in Hong Kong. You can see really beautiful apartments. And it's a long way, but I'm just going to keep going all the way till the end. Took a slight wrong turn there. I need to keep going all the way to the end. As I said, it's a very long road. And now I'm in the area where I can find out the answer to my final question. Now I might find it helpful to look at the map again. And I can zoom out and look at details in the surrounding area, and I can skip forward as well.